In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the cart icon in Shopify Dawn theme. By the end, you'll know a simple and safe way to swap the default cart icon for your own without breaking your store. First, protect your work. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your Dawn theme, click Actions, and choose Duplicate. Work inside the duplicate. That way, if something doesn't look right, your live theme stays untouched and you can roll back easily. Next, open the theme code. In the same Themes area, on your active or duplicated Dawn theme, click Actions and then Edit Code. This will open the code editor with your theme's folders and files on the left. Now, locate the icon files. In the left sidebar, open the Snippets folder. Here, you'll see two files that control the cart visuals: iconcart.liquid for the cart with items state, and iconcart.empty liquid for the empty cart state. Open each one in a new tab so you can switch between them easily. You're going to replace the existing icon markup with your custom artwork. If you have an SVG, paste your SVG markup right where the existing SVG sits. Make sure to keep the structure tidy and set attributes like width, height, and fill so the icon doesn't appear too large or too light. It's also helpful to ensure your SVG includes a view box, which lets it scale crisply. Avoid deleting any surrounding liquid code that handles behavior or accessibility. You're only replacing the icon graphic itself. If you're using a PNG or another image file instead of an SVG, you can output an image tag that references an asset you've uploaded. For example, you might use something like, just make sure the file name matches what you uploaded in your theme assets or the files section. Adjust the width and height to match the size you want, and keep the alt text clear for accessibility. After you've updated iconcart.liquid and iconcart.empty liquid, click Save. Then preview your storefront on both desktop and mobile. Confirm that the new icon shows up in the header and check that the cart count bubble, the little number that shows item count, still appears and aligns properly. If the bubble looks off, try slightly adjusting your icon's size attributes rather than changing any theme logic. Once you're happy with the result in your duplicate theme, publish it to go live. That's it. You've changed the cart icon in the Dawn theme safely and cleanly.